Our Earth is over 70% water and is a vital resource that sustains all life. As urbanization, heavier rainfall, and increasing pollution put greater demands on our water and drainage systems, we must learn to adapt to these changes. At ACO, we recognize our role as stewards of water management through developing innovative solutions for industries, such as residential, urban, landscape, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure. Join us in making a positive impact on our world's most precious resource. ACO, we care for water.